Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by preparing the essentials. Make sure your ENL15C battery is charged to at least 80% and format a fast SD card in the camera to avoid corrupt files. Next, download the correct Nikon Z6ii firmware version to your computer and confirm the file size matches Nikon's listed value, so you know it completed. Once done, unzip only if needed. Copy the raw firmware file to the root of the formatted SD card and safely eject the card. With the prepared SD card in the camera and power off, turn the camera on and immediately go to Menu, Setup, then Firmware Version and choose Update. You will see on-screen prompts instructing you to proceed. Confirm you want to update both camera and lens firmware if applicable. During the operation, do not press buttons, close the camera, or remove the card. This prevents bricking. Make sure to wait until the progress bar completes and the camera restarts before touching anything. Once the camera restarts, verify the new firmware by checking Menu, Set up Firmware Version so you know the update applied correctly. If you see an error or the update aborts, turn off the camera, reformat the SD card in camera, copy the firmware file again from your computer, and retry exactly once. If the camera becomes unresponsive or shows persistent error codes, stop attempting fixes, record the code and actions taken. Then contact Nikon support for service. This protects your camera from further harm.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.